this.
Ooh. Yes, already.
Hey guys, this is Nancy with the ScareFactor.com, and we are here at Nightmare Realm in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We are about 2 hours away from Chicago, and we decided to check out Nightmare Realm. Unfortunately, because of scheduling conflicts, we were not able to review a regular haunt season. We decided to come out to their Christmas event. And well, it's a very brisk 45 degrees, maybe 50 degrees. It's nice weather. I wish we had that back in Halloween time. So we are gonna check it out and see how it goes. Oh my goodness!
Oh my God, that's awesome! Yeah!
Okay, here, I gotta feed it a line. Santa Claus is extremely cute, and I want one of his candy canes.
Santa Claus is extremely cute.
Stop. Sid, C-I-D.
Oh, Sid.
That's my name.
Sid Claus. Okay.
Okay. And then,
Sid Claus?
Okay, actually, it's me.
Sid Claus is extremely attractive, and I want one of his candy canes.
Oh! Okay, no, grab the cake.
Okay.
No. Put it in my hand.
Okay.
Well, I just got the thing for you.
Is that a candy cane in your pants?
Is it
Or
hard?
just happy to see me?
Boy, I lost my penis 27 years ago. But every time you suck on that candy cane, it grows back just a little.
Just a little?
That's why I've been giving them out.
3 times bigger that year.
Yeah, 3 times bigger. Hopefully. Get your booties in there.
All right.
How you doing tonight?
Doing good, about you?
Doing so great.
Little drummer girl.
Drummer girl, no. Mike Elf Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Let's go right this way.
Ooh, the moonwalk.
Welcome to Cypress Hollow, everyone. It is your lucky day. Happy holidays and have a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Guys, come on, we gotta meet Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Come on, we gotta meet Santa Claus. Come on, you gotta meet Santa Claus.
Okay.
You guys
love the
know,
tree.
You guys know Santa Claus?
No.
Well, you're gonna meet him soon. But first you have to learn
Okay.
about Santa Claus.
Okay.
It all began with the voices. In my world, they were always there. At first, tormenting me, making me question all that was real. But once I was able to open my mind, they guided me.
Greetings to all of you. You have arrived at Cypress Hollow on a momentous evening. Trista and the creatures of the realm have been a bit naughty this year, and I decided to initiate Project Jingle Hell. All my Hellves are arriving to help fight the battle for the souls of Cypress Hollow, and you are at the center of it. It is time to stop Trista at all costs, for if she wins...
We meet again, old man.
Trista, you may have defeated me last time, but I am more powerful than before.
Oh, Santa. Parlor tricks are so beloved. Besides, how will such foolish displays help you when I rip your elves to pieces and feast on their fear?
Guys, you're so excited to meet Santa Claus. All right, meet Santa. He's so excited to meet you.
Oh my God. Look at the maxi pad right there. This bathroom is disgusting.
Not the hair.
Been good this year?
Maybe. Yeah, no.
No, I'm gonna have to tell Santa.
Oh no, please don't tell Santa.
Because I'm always watching. Have you been good this year? I'm very concerned about
my
all of you. I'm gonna have to let you know. I got you.
Yeah, you did.
Ooh.
You got another one? Okay. Oh God.
Jesus Christ.
kids.
Fishing for naughty kids. There's one back there.
Oh, yeah?
Very naughty.
I'm going to take him to Santa. And maybe he'll make you the head off.
Jesus Christ! Jesus.
Everywhere. Do you like my decoration?
Yeah, I love them.
Which one's your favorite?
Those lights right there.
Wrong!
No?
Trista's your favorite, isn't she?
Maybe.
She was the hardest one to put on. I had to put it on first. That's a lot of work. Do you think Santa will be proud of me?
I think so. You might be head
He
health.
told me I can't make toys anymore.
Why not?
No.
I got mess. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
I've been in the toy business
Yeah, I have.
before. Do you know how it goes?
I know how it goes.
Sometimes you make mistakes.
You learn from mistakes. Oh no. Oh!
Are you here to see Santa?
Yes. Okay.
How can we stop this madness? How can we stop this madness?
Help me, please! You guys gotta get me out of here.
We'll get
the
you out.
janitor's got me trapped in here and he's gonna burn me like the other ones. Please help. Please. Don't let me burn in here. Help! Please!
Are you come to be consumed by my flame? Three born!
Oh god.
My friend, but there's not that good penalty coming soon. Oh, Sata! Like my friend. I bet these screams are exquisite. Would you like to hear what they sounded like? Okay then. That little last bit, that's the lungs popping from the flame.
Ah, okay.
It's a very nice sound. I can't wait to hear from you all.
Oh no. We're out. Bye bye.
What? But I ain't got to burn you yet. It's so much fun.
Oh god.
Oh, people were smoking. A lot of cigarettes.
A lot of cigarettes.
Some candy canes!
Oh, I'll take candy canes.
Source of all candy canes! This dude's blood! There's some candy canes in a wrapper still! Don't forget! Praise Santa! Praise Santa! Yeah, that's the guy! Praise Santa! What a great guy doing all this for you!
Yay, Santa!
Yeah, Santa!
Yeah!
Santa Claus! Yeah!
Take these quickly, come on! Take them. Listen to me. She's right around the corner from us. You have to hit her before she hits us, okay?
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
She's going to kill us.
Okay.
Go! Go! Come on! Faster, let's go! Go!
All right.
Rip those elves! Limb by limb! Come on!
Nope, 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 nope.
help!
Come on!
He's a failure! In fact, throw this at him.
Oh!
I'm so sick of you, Trista!
Uh-oh. Okay, so this is a dead end. So we go that way.
Uh-oh.
This is also a dead end.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Woo! All right, let's check out this way. I'm assuming it's not that, but that scream was oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Is it this way?
It's not. It cannot be this way. It was probably where
she was screaming?
Yeah, where she was screaming. I don't like being screamed at. Oh God.
Why are you leaving me?
Well, you can go. Woo! Jesus. Uh-oh. I'm afraid. I am genuinely afraid. Oh my god.
Not again. Oh my god!
Oh god, it's the spider.
Fuck!
Trista, I know they're still good in you yet. You have the power to pull them back.
Cypress Hollow deserves everything it gets.
Oh god.
Oh god, it is real. Oh god, it is real.
No, it's not.
Dude, it has to be.
It's not. Yay! Oh my god!
Yay, you did it!
Good job!
Bye, gingerbread man. You're so pretty, Sugar Plum Fairy.
Tell me.
You're so pretty.
Tell me if you think I'm pretty.
I think you're very pretty. And
Of course you do. Who wouldn't think I'm pretty?
I love your dress.
Why?
Because it's beautiful. Will you spin? Will you spin for me?
Yay!
Beautiful!
Okay.
Dude. Fucking
You want to see Santa? Are you ready to see Santa?
Yes, I'm ready to see
He's
Santa.
right out that door.
Right out that door.
Oh my
All
gosh,
right.
have you been good this year?
No.
Oh no, you might want to stay behind then. He might send you away with Trista.
Oh no.
Oh, be careful.
Oh.
Oh no.
Excellent.
No.
Warriors for the fight. Are you here to help me fight against Trista?
Sure, yes.
Excellent. You have your weapons. I see you have yours. You have yours. Fantastic. Now that you have them, remember, she can appear at any point in time. And if she does, be prepared to use them on her.
Okay.
All right, excellent. This is No! Trista! No!
Oh no.
What are you doing here? I thought I got rid of you.
I'm here to end you.
No, you're not. I'm getting rid of you. Get out of here. Watch out. Like I said, she can appear anywhere.
All right.
Help me and my Hellves run her out.
All right.
I would go that way. She went that way. I would go
Okay.
that way.
That way.
But what if she's my friend?
Your friend with Trista?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Oh my god.
Merry Xmas!
Merry Xmas.
I love Xmas. Don't you? Oh, the loneliness and despair. It's truly a magical time of year.
Okay.
Why are you here?
I don't know.
The doctor isn't any good anyways.
What do you think you're doing? Get out!
Why?
Come in here and attack my receptionist.
She dropped them!
Oh no.
What am I supposed to do now? I'm useless! She took my fingers! How am I supposed to make presents?
Got these elves! You ever got how they work? How they breathe? These books are melting on them! Come on, you. Do you know how they work, huh? You gotta figure out how to defeat these things!
Hey,
I told you not to talk to them anymore!
Shut up. What do you guys want for Christmas this year?
What do you got?
No!
Hey.
No!
Hey, no.
We do not talk to the prisoner!
Hey, listen,
Okay?
I'm gonna break a real important
Do you know how hard it was for me to capture this guy?
I'm just a mall Santa.
You are
And
not
you're
a mall
just over-
Santa.
Yeah, I am. You know what? How about you take your confidence down a little bit, all right? I'm sorry to break it to you, all right? I'm sorry to break it to you that I'm not the real Santa.
Wait,
He's over there. That guy's over there. Listen to me, I'm just
You are
a guy.
right in front of me,
I'm just
okay?
a guy.
What is Santa supposed to
I
wear?
got off
Red
shift
suit,
one
right?
night.
Red suit, yes.
Yeah. Now I'm here.
What color is
And
his
you're
beard
taking
supposed to be?
responsibility.
White.
That's
White
all
beard.
you. Yeah. That's great too.
Could you do me a favor?
What's up?
Can you flip that switch right there for me?
Oh no.
Yeah,
Okay.
flip
okay.
that one right there. Yeah, this is what you get.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my god, I did that.
That's what you get.
I did that.
That's what you get.
Oh my god.
Yikes.
Another one?
How are we
God.
gonna get out of this one?
Oh, dead end. Let's go that way.
Oh shit. This is very disorienting.
It really is. There's another way out that way. Jesus
This
Christ.
is better than any corn maze I've ever been in.
Marco.
Marco!
Ah,
Hey!
congratulations. You
Yay.
didn't die out there.
We did
Santa
it.
needs your help. He's fighting Trista. They're back there. And
Okay.
you gotta go through that demon's butthole to get to him.
Okay.
It's gonna be tight, but don't get stuck.
All right.
Oh damn, it's tight.
She is tight.
That is one inflated butthole. Fucking shit. Oh my god.
Oh god. I'm going over here.
You're very pretty.
Oh, you're pretty too.
You wanna be my friend?
Okay, but not me getting fucking spooked by the animatronics every time.
Oh my god.
Shit.
This is my favorite book.
Feeling creative with death. Oh my god, I couldn't even say it.
Festively.
Yay! Oh god damn. This was not made for hippie people.
Almost around my neck. With the eye patch, standing by me, we go kiss on the
I gotta lay off the candy canes.
You're so funny. Thank you. Happy to have you on my side.
I told Santa I was your friend.
Bye, Trista.
Bye, Trista.
So we just went through Nightmare Realm, and oh my god, was it really fun. While the storyline still keeps going with Trista, there is some incorporated storyline with Santa being involved in Cypress Hollow. And we even got a snowball fight. And while this is their Christmas event, we do encourage to check them out during the Halloween season, which is also a very good event. Did I say snowball fight? Is that a gingerbread man? We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough as we did ourselves. Bye-bye now.
Yes.